How to draw Quaxly, the Pokemon, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of our drawing today, let's begin by drawing the beak in the center of the page. And if you're new to Learn How to Draw Hub, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right place. Now on the inside of the shape that we just drew, let's draw the mouth, making a line that goes from left to right that looks similar to a curvy W. Now right above the center of the line that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the nostrils by making two small short lines. Now once we're all done drawing the beak, let's go right above and draw the outline of the bottom of the hair. Then we'll draw the outline of the sides of the face, then we'll come back and draw the top of the hair. Let's go ahead and draw the outline of the sides of the face by making two curved lines that are connected to the hair right above. We'll make one curved line on each side, which will both be the same length. Nice! Now that we have the sides of the face drawn, we can draw the top of the hair by drawing a big shape that connects from the top left side of the face over to the top right side of the face. Now in the center of the hair, let's draw a curvy bubble letter W. Later on in today's video, you'll notice that this shape will be left white. Great job, so far this is coming along very well. Now attached to the hairline, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. For the eyes, we're going to draw two shapes that look similar to ovals, one inside of the other. And on the outside of each eye that we draw, let's just make a small simple curved line. Nice job, now let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side. So from this point, everything else that we draw will be below the head. So let's go right beneath the beak and let's draw a line that looks similar to a U. Now that we have that line drawn, it can serve as a center for us to draw our wings. So let's go ahead and draw the wing on the left hand side, and we're going to close off that blank space between the U and the head. Now connected to the wing, let's just go ahead and draw the center of the body. Well done! Now let's draw the second wing, which will close off the empty space on the right hand side. Nice! Now all we have left to do is to draw the feet and legs. Let's go ahead and draw the first leg and foot on the left hand side. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Quaxly the Pokemon. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That will send a special message to YouTube that says, hey, this is a good video, recommend it to other YouTube artists as well. And if you want to see all of the videos that we upload, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And if you were curious of what kind of supplies that we use, then I attach them all with a link down in the description below. And don't forget that next I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.